fungal infection. So mycosis and other known fungal infection. It is of two types: superficial fungal infection as well as the deep fungal infection. Deep fungal infection is also known as systemic because it is most common in the immunocompromised patients. और हम लोगों में superficial ज़्यादा कॉमन होता है, immunocompromised में deep ज़्यादा कॉमन होता है. So pathogens, the superficial fungal infection is then caused by Candida as well as the dermatophytes. Candida infection is also known as moneliasis. So candidiasis or the moneliasis. Example, they are causing oral thrush, मुंह के अंदर पूरे में fungal infection रहेगा. Vaginitis, that is inflammation of the vagina, and the otomycosis means fungal infection over the ear. Then second is dermatophytes. Dermatophytes are of three types: epidermatophyton, trichophyton, and the mycosporum. And these are the pathogens which are mainly causing the ringworm or the tinea infections. Now the deep infection. Deep infection is caused by A, B, C. A for aspergillosis, B for blastomycosis, C for coccidiomycosis, or C for candidiasis, and histoplasmosis. It indicates that candidiasis is the most common organism which is responsible for deep infection as well as for the superficial fungal infection. So candida infection can cause both superficial as well as deep infections. Now the drugs. What are the commonest drugs which are used as an antifungal? So the first group is antibiotic group, and the most common drug is amphotericin B, nystatin, natamycin, and the griseofulvin. Second is the antimetabolite drug, and antimetabolite drug is the 5-fluorocytosine. Third and the most important common is azoles. So normally we are using azole groups, which is the most common used drugs, and the drugs are itraconazole, ketoconazole, fluticasone, clotrimazole. So these are the most common drugs. Itraconazole is available in the tablet form, 100 mg, 200 mg. So depending on the severity, you can use 100 or 200. It can be used OD, BD. Second is ketoconazole. It is available in the shampoo forms or in the soap form, sabun. If you are having tinea corporis, पूरी body में infection हो रहा है, then हम soap use करेंगे. If we are having tinea capitis, that is dandruff हो रहा है, so we are using as a shampoo. Fluticasone, clotrimazole. Clotrimazole is the most common drug which is available in the ointment form. अगर आपको local infection हो रहा है, like say vagina में itching हो रही है, that means fungal infection, itching, mild itching over the private parts, then we are using ointment as a clotrimazole. Fourth group is the allylamine group. Fourth, the drugs is terbinafine, and the common, it is available in 250 or the 500 mg. It can be used OD or the BD. And the fifth is the topical form, which is known as benzoic acid. So these are the commonest drugs available. So for the superficial fungal infection, we can use itraconazole, ketoconazole, fluticasone, clotrimazole, and terbinafine. So these are the drugs commonly used for superficial fungal infection. While amphotericin B is the most common drug which we can use as the deep or systemic fungal infection. So now the most common diseases जो कि फंगस के लिए common words use होते हैं, they are known as vaginitis, otomycosis, tinea capitis, tinea corporis, or the tinea pedis. Vaginitis, that is inflammation of the vagina. प्राइवेट पार्ट्स में इचिंग होने का, एंड दैट इज नोन एज मीठी खुजली. फंगस के हमेशा एक वर्ड होता है मीठी खुजली. दैट मीन्स दैट इंटेंस इचिंग. जितनी आप इचिंग करोगे उतना आपको और इचिंग करने का मन करेगा. दिस इज नोन एज टिपिकल इचिंग फॉर द फंगल. सो वेजिनाइटिस, दैट इज इन्फ्लेमेशन ऑफ द वजाइना एंड इट इज कॉज्ड बाय इचिंग. आपको प्राइवेट पार्ट्स में बहुत इचिंग हो रही है, फॉलोड बाय बारीक बारीक दाने आ सकते हैं, उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा जलन हो सकती है, एंड नाउ इट्स बिकम सो पेनफुल. सो दैट इज वेजिनाइटिस. ऑटोमाइकोसिस, ऑटो मीन्स कान के अंदर एकदम, कई लोग आपने देखा होगा हेयर पिन, सेफ्टी पिन, मैच स्टिक डाल के उसको बस इच करते रहते हैं. सो दैट इज नथिंग बट दैट इज कान में फंगल इन्फेक्शन इज नोन एज ऑटोमाइकोसिस. टीनिया कैपिटिस, दैट मीन्स बालों में इन्फेक्शन होना. टीनिया कॉर्पोरिस, दैट मीन्स बॉडी में फंगल इन्फेक्शन होना. टीनिया पैडिस, दैट मीन्स अगर आपने गीले शूज पहन रखे हैं या गीले सॉक्स पहन रखे हैं बारिश में, तो आपके जो फिंगर्स टोज होते हैं उनके बीच में आपको हमेशा एक नीचे इंटेंस इचिंग होती रहती है. दैट इज नोन एज टीनिया पैडिस. सो दीज आर द कॉमनेस्ट वर्ड विच आर यूज्ड एज एन फंगल. नाउ अगर हम बात करें एम्फोटेरिसिन बी की, तो एम्फोटेरिसिन बी इज द मोस्ट कॉमन ड्रग विच इज यूज्ड फॉर आपका डीप सिस्टमिक फंगल इन्फेक्शन. सो मैकेनिज्म ऑफ एक्शन, हाउ डज दिस ड्रग एक्ट? तो एम्फोटेरिसिन बी हैज द हाईएस्ट एफिनिटी फॉर द एर्गेस्ट्रॉल विच इज प्रेजेंट ओवर द फंगल सेल मेम्ब्रेन. फंगल सेल मेम्ब्रेन के ऊपर एर्गेस्ट्रॉल होता है. एम्फोटेरिसिन बी binds with the ergostrol, enter into the cell, many molecules bind together to form a large molecule which can create micropores over that cell wall. And through this micropore, all the ions, amino acids, and all water soluble substance comes out from the cell and the cell dies. So this is the mechanism of action of amphotericin B. But as we know, the host cell membrane, that अगर हमारी बॉडी में We have the cell membrane and we having cholesterol. So ergosterol and the cholesterol, they are both having the same structure. So amphotericin B also binds with the cholesterol in our cell membrane, hence they cause toxicity. So amphotericin B is the drug which is used systematically and it is the most toxic drug causing side effects. तो amphotericin B देते ही आपको fever with chills and rigors, dyspnea that is सांस लेने में दिक्कत होना, nausea, vomitings, these are the commonest side effects after using this drug. अगर ये severe हो रहे हैं, don't discontinue the drug, drug continue करो, followed by साथ में corticosteroids add on कर दो. So okay, thank you. This is all about the antifungal.